Hello, everyone. This is Aubrey from Philippines. Okay, so I name my Team Emerald. And in this video, I will discuss it very fast. Okay, I am already Team Elite Pavo at the moment. Okay, I'm still hoping to go higher, of course. Okay, this is just the start. So in this video, I will discuss why Reway. Why that in just more than 3 years that I am in Reway, I already fell in love in Reway. This is the company. Okay, it is based in Singapore and this is our logo. In a separate video or in some of our Zoom live events, okay, we mentioned the meaning of this logo, and that is what we have here also. This is what you are wearing. That is the pin. And this one is a rank because in Reway International, our company is encouraging us to have a rank because aside from money, Reway is generously giving us some, throwing us some rewards, okay, especially if you have a rank. Now, this is our CEO, Chinese Singaporean, because our company is based in Singapore. And so he said that Reway International will go globalization. Of course, he said that when I mention about internationalism or globalization, I don't mean from Singapore to Malaysia or Hong Kong to Shenzhen, but through globalization. So right now, in the 12 years of Reway International, we are in 12 countries, and one of that is Philippines. So in the Philippines, it is already 4 years old, okay? And it helped a lot of lives. It improved so much. It improved a lot of lives of the Filipinos' lives, okay? So he is our CEO, Mr. Lim Boon Hong, and he is called Bill Gates of Asia. Now, this booklet is very informative. You can also watch this, the video explanation of Dr. Victor Shen in YouTube. In this booklet, it doesn't mention about our product like Pure Cheer Placenta. It talks about live cell therapy, the benefit of this to our body. And you know that few decades ago, stem cell is considered already as the secret of rich and famous. Why? It is only the famous and rich, okay, politicians, business people, and celebrities can afford this. Now, our company for 12 years, we only have one food supplement product, and until today, that is the only food supplement in the whole world with live stem cell inside the capsule. So you see, can you imagine in one capsule, there is this live cell from deer placenta, 100 extract of apple polyphenol, dendrobium that can help all veins, especially anti-aneurysm and stroke. Marine collagen, you don't need to buy this separately. It is already in our capsules. Squalene, aloe vera, noclaclavem. This is the trademark of our product. And the fucoidan that make the cancer cells die naturally or apoptosis. Avocado, evening primrose, borage oil, and lycopene. These 12 ingredients actually are a combination of precious ingredients that you can buy separately, but you don't need to do that anymore because it is already in one capsule. Now, probably it is now that you heard about fucoidan, okay? But fucoidan has been used by Cancer Association in Japan Cancer Association since 1996. You see, you don't need to go to Japan, okay, to treat, okay, for the cancer. You can only take Pure Cheer Placenta, and then every day that you're taking Pure Cheer Placenta, the cancer cells die naturally, okay? Fucoidan induces cancer into apoptosis within 24 hours. And during the COVID, okay, not only the alcohol or washing of hands, wearing masks, okay, social distancing, it helped. But it is best also if you protect your whole family from COVID-19 of Pure Cheer Placenta, because we have lots of testimonials, even doctors who have been saved by God's grace because of taking Pure Cheer Placenta. And our team is shipping products in different parts of the world, even this time of COVID, because our business, we can just do this in the comfort of our home, and then we can ship the product in different parts of the world because it has reliable certificate. And we don't stop. Actually, we don't stop. So we are not like the other companies that slow down or already closed. Reway actually is moving fast because of the product and the company that we have. That's why we can ship the. That's why most of us leaders, we feel secure that being in Reway International is like, you know, if we work for it today, tomorrow we can have our commission. So it's a daily payout, and our company is paying us in Singapore dollars. So wherever part of the world you are, you can do this business. So you see, this one is actually in one box. We are shipping sometimes 40 bottles in one box in different countries. And if you see the pink one, it is the beauty product of our company. This is for women. And this is just one of the testimonies, one of the millions testimonies. This Vietnam, okay? Since 2016, he was taking Pure Cheer Placenta 6 capsules a day. And look at him up after 2 years. It is actually reversing aging because of the live cells and other amazing ingredients. So since it has live cells, it regenerates new cells inside the body. So it's like you are a brand new car, having new eyes, new cells of eyes, new bones, new heart, new liver, new kidney. Okay, so that's why our company is already a multi-billion company for 12 years with only one product. And since 2008, okay, the first edition, because our company is a research and development company, okay, up to today, we don't have down sales. Can you imagine, as of June 2018, it was already 10 years in the market with one product. Our company was able to sell 5 million bottles, one product, with billions of sales every month. Now, when they launched the 6th edition from June 2018 to December, another 5 million bottles sold. So can you imagine, because of the ingredients and the testimonies of the previous edition, the 6th edition, able to the sale of 6 months, okay, in the launching of 6th edition was equated. I don't know the word. Anyway, this is the best gift for yourself, okay? The combination, because we only have this product, okay, for her. Our mask, this is also for him. Perfect combination, because Pure Cheer Placenta is, when you're taking that, it's like from inside to outside. But when you're having the beauty product spray and mist and mask, it is from outside to inside of your cell. So this is the mask for men. It can actually lift the skin, Botox. It is anti-aging, anti-radiation, firming. It is auto research. So if your skin like mine is very dry, okay, I have eye bags here, black here, because I always sleep late, and I have lines here, and dry skin, and then melasma. So that was my problem for more than 10 years already. And I'm so glad that having this product, naturally, it can smoothen my skin, it can make it younger again, it can replenish my skin, nourish my skin naturally. And I'm not and rest assured that this product has no drop of water, and it processed also in modern technologies that even some of the chemists here mentioned that this product has the best ingredients that they cannot find in any beauty products available in the market. Okay, So that's for the mist. Mist is you can spray that any time of the day. But if that is your first time to use Consensus, because our one box has 2 bottles of this, and the price is equivalent to our Pure Cheer Placenta. Same also with the mask. The mask has 20 sachet, good for 20 days regimen. Now, if you're using this mask, okay, 20 days, you can that is what we call 20 days regimen, and then you can spray your face many times in a day, like from here. Okay, let me try. Let me check if I have this. Okay, so this is the mask, but I will not demo how to use the mask. I will have that in a separate video. And my beauty mist, okay, this one, actually in one box, there are 2 bottles. So you can see here, okay, like yellow, you have to shake it off before you spray it in your face because there is a golden dust. Wow, I'm so excited to use this. Okay, spray like this, okay, here in your forehead like this, then down here, 2 times left and right. So the smell is rose because it is from the rose plant. Remember, it has no drop of water. This is the water from rose. So you cannot find a beauty product that's all in here. Moisturizing. You don't need to buy moisturizing cream anymore. It's all here. The anti-aging cream and all. 27 benefits actually in this and in this. Okay, you know, for women, especially for ladies, you don't need to, especially this time, you don't need to go to the spa anymore. Okay, especially if you're busy, you can just do this at home at least 20 minutes. For me, I let it dry in my face until I remove because for 10 minutes, you can already feel it's firming naturally. And you can even carry this wherever you go. You can just do this at home any time of the day or when you're relaxing, in the Facebook, watching a video on YouTube, you can do this one. So relaxing, so cool in the face. Now, so those are our products. Only, okay, we only have beauty product and food supplement. Now, in response to the need of the world, okay, Reway Foundation able generously gave away, okay, donated 1 million Singapore dollar to 12 countries where we have branches. And we are glad that here, okay, here, you can see, I feel that since the heavens has given us such a plan, we are all entrusted to step up to that role and play our parts well. So we gave it, the foundation generously gave 1 million Singaporean dollar. And here are the countries that receive it. Okay, and also in the Philippines, okay, we have it here. That's one in Czech Republic. In the Philippines, 35 million pesos to DSWD. So imagine how many families, okay, were blessed because of this 35 million pesos. And remember, Reway International is only 12 years. And 4 years only in the Philippines. But you see, we are among the how many companies donated in the Philippines? 16. We are one of the 16 companies thinking that Reway is only 4 years in the Philippines. So since we have branches here and right now we have 4 offices coming soon this year again. To expand, it means that we're really moving fast. Okay, soaring high, not decreasing, but increasing. And with the generosity and part of the benefit that we can get from Reway International is to have few times in a year abroad trainings and seminars, leadership trainings like that. So this is our team. We were in Bangkok. That was last year. It was a whole day event. And normally we go abroad for at least 5 days in a month. So the rest of the days we enjoy. Okay, so it's because, of course, we've been working for how many, imagine here, you work 1 month in Riway International, plus the training that you go abroad for 5 days of the month. There is no company, as for me, there is no company I encountered that for 1 month working, okay, you have 5 days in abroad, going abroad. So we have this training. So we are actually from different countries, 12 countries, okay? 12 countries and some countries with no offices yet. So they were here, we all here to gather, to learn. So that when we come back to our country, we can also train the leaders that we leave. Now, this is one of the 16 headquarters of Riway International in Malaysia. This is in Kuala Lumpur. So this is a place where our CEO himself trained. Okay, imagine the CEO of a multi-billion company trained himself whole day. These people, leaders from 12 countries or more. So that this was the training last February 2020. As you see, some are already wearing masks. This is recent. And inside this hall, there are only 1,003 seats. So the chosen few. Okay, so I'm so lucky that I was one of the few here, and the people here who get trained are from different countries also that we have branches. So it's a privilege to be trained by a CEO himself. Now, when we went home in the Philippines, we also trained our team, our leaders. What we had learned fresh from Bangkok, when we go back to the country, fresh from Kuala Lumpur, when we go back home, we have this orientation, and that was the new distributor orientation. Now, Caucasians also do this. They flew from Europe and then go to the country in Asia and attend the training. And we have one of the events in a year is a top leaders meeting. And this happened in every country that we have branches. So top leaders meetings, these are the leaders, okay, who are trained, who get all the update and trainings, plans of Riway. And these people will also train or cascade the meetings and plans to their own team. So in Taiwan, okay, the first one was March 2, 2020 in Malaysia, March 5 in Taiwan, okay, Singapore, in Indonesia, in Thailand, okay, in the Philippines. I didn't put everything here because I don't have much time to explain, right? Another is, you see, this is just one event in every month. Can you imagine how much money our company is throwing to invest? I mean, to how much money they are allot for the personality development and training of their leaders. And here in the Philippines, okay, this was last March 4, okay, before the lockdown. Okay, so the arrangement of the seat is like this. If a leader is the first, okay, was the first to hit the elite rank, he or she will be sitting in front here. And if it happened that it was me who hit the last the rank, the elite rank, and then when I attend the following, let's say the following week or month, the earliest meeting, okay, I will be seated here in the last seat in the room. So that's how they arrange, because it is a privilege for them. The earlier you hit the rank, you get the space in front. Okay, so that's the culture of that, is to appreciate the effort of the leaders. Okay, So also in Japan, they have in Myanmar, in Vietnam, okay, and we have this 40 Hall of Fame. So these are the top leaders. Imagine, I remember our company is only 12 years. In 12 years, some of them are already 12 years, some of them are just 3 years, 4 years, but they are already here. And these people are earning from how much million is that? From 10,000, oh no, they are from 50 million pesos to 100 or more million pesos. So if you are earning this, obviously you can afford to travel with your whole family anytime, anywhere you wish. And you can buy all the luxurious cars. So what company can give such commission to the people in just a short period of time working with them? So when we say, let's say 100 million, that's the highest, okay? That's 100 million. So how much is that in dollar? Okay, it's like $2 million. $2 million per month income. That's the highest per month. Okay, it's not his own sale, it's not his personal sale, but the sale of his team, because this is teamwork. Okay, and our company make it to the point that there is a regular meeting to see each other, to check and to share the plans where the company is heading to, okay, this month, okay, the whole year and next year. And this is the highest distributor in the Philippines. She is only 27-year-old. Okay, she started working here at the age of 23, 24, like that, a single mom of 2 kids. So imagine in just 3 years, she is now the highest in the whole Philippines. So they are what we call Pegasus. They already Team Pegasus because they have team, okay? And this is a debrief in, I think, in Taiwan. You see, for the June 28 event, just this year, 2020. And can you imagine how many? What is the number of these people, okay, gathered, and how much money the company put in for this event, right? And this is a grand event. So you can watch the videos in YouTube, okay? The videos that we have, the events that we have, okay? This was actually taken last February during our training in Kuala Lumpur. And this is from the magazine, a recent magazine issue like this just June 2020, because every quarter we have magazines. So they featured, okay, this month, they featured successful leaders so able to buy their luxury car in just few years of working in Riway International. Okay, so when you get hold of our magazine, read and then be inspired in just a short period of time, they achieve their dreams that for most of us, we never thought that the dreams, okay, that we had few years ago, okay, it will come true when we